Welcome to DIY Tech. Nextfi Wi-Fi Booster Setup and Installation Guide. Plug your Nextfi Wi-Fi extender into a working outlet. On your phone/computer's Wi-Fi settings, select Wi-Fi 2.4 grams 4x. Note that the device only works with the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. Turn off your mobile network data to avoid connection errors. You won't have access to the internet until the setup is complete. On your phone or computer, open a web browser of your choice. Enter 192.168.188.1 in the address bar to visit the management page. Once you can access the management page, you will be required to input a password to proceed. Type in the default password. The default password is admin. You will be required to scan for the SSID of your host router. When you find it, select it to proceed. Then enter your router's password and tap Next. Set your Wi-Fi Booster SSID and password. Note that the default SSID is Original SSID Pro 2.4G, and the default password is ABG123321. Once you have set the extender's SSID and password, tap Next. Check and confirm the wireless info. Next, click Start Connect. Now, wait for a few seconds for the setup to complete. This should take 30 to 45 seconds. Once the setup is complete, the LED indicator on your Nextfi Wi-Fi Booster will light up. When the signal indicator is on, it means the relay is successful. You can now connect your extender to the internet. Thanks for watching.